Assalamu alaikum. Wishing everybody's happy and healthy life. I am Dr. Mazharul Islam, Associate Professor of Forensic Medicine at the Women's Medical College. Today, I am going to present a new topic, that is cannabis indica. Welcome to my class. What is cannabis indica? Cannabis indica, also known as ganja, gaja, and sometimes hashish, marijuana. It is a Druidian type of cerebral neurotic poison. It is also known as CNS stimulant drug. Synonyms: cannabis indica, Indian hemp, gonjika, dagga, hashish, marijuana. Historical background: it is said that about 10,000 BC, first invented or first use of cannabis indica was found. Distribution: it is distributed all over the world. Character of the plant is 5 to 15 feet long. Hot and sunlight is necessary for growth. The leaves contain odd number of leaflet with serrated margin. Toxic part: whole part of the plant is toxic. Different preparation. What are the different preparation for cannabis indica? The bhang is a common thing, the mildest form, and it is used as fruit soup. It is prepared from leaves. It is ingested orally. Active principle is only 15%. Another form is majon. It is a sweet preparation made by mixing of sugar and other material with bhang. It is sold as lozenge. It is said that it increases appetite and sexual desire. So, it is used as aphrodisiac substance. Ganja, gonjika, is common in Bangladesh, also in India, common burden all over the world. Also, it is one of the most common addicted substance in Bangladesh. It is prepared from flower tops of female plant or dried leaves. It has a characteristic odor. It is mixed with tobacco and inhaled as a smoke. Active principle is about 15 to 25%. Chorosh and hashish. It is prepared from resin and exudate of leaves. Active principle is 25 to 40%. It is mixed with smoke and inhaled as smoke. So ganja and chorosh both are inhaled as smoke. Both are used as addictive substance or addictive agents. Incident: who are the vulnerable or who are the victims of cannabis indica or who are the addicted person of cannabis indica? Frustrated youth, common in Bangladesh, living in vicious social environment. It is also common in Bangladesh, India. Religious festival. It is not addicted substance. It is religious festival. Active principles. What are the active principles of cannabis indica? Cannabinol, cannabidiol, tetrahydrocannabinol. Signs symptoms mainly produced by tetrahydrocannabinol. Absorption: respiratory tract and GI tract. It is commonly inhaled as a smoke by addicted person, and GI tract by lozenge and any other fruit soups. Metabolism: liver, and excretion: urine, feces through bile, even saliva and breast milk. Mechanism action: it acts on motor and sensory receptor of brain. So, especially perception of cognition, memory and motor incoordinates may produce. Distribution: basal ganglia, cerebrum, that results in motor incoordination, behavior, function. Cerebral cortex, hippocampus, gyrus, effects on cognition, short-term memory may be lost. It also acts on brainstem, that in the excessive dose can causes brainstem damage, on inhibition of brainstem. CBS and respiratory center. It acts also CBS and respiratory center. Fatal dose: chorosh 2 gram per kg body weight, ganja 8 gram per kg body weight, bhang 10 gram per kg body weight. So it is required a 60 kg person near about 500 gram of cannabis indica. So too much fatal dose. Fatal period within 12 to 24 hours in case of acute poisoning. That means 500 gram or half kilogram ganja intake in 1 hour. circumstances or medical legal importance. Ganja commonly used by sadhu fakir to get in a religious mood. Majon and chorosh has been used in road poison to stupefy a person to facilitate robbery. Chorosh and ganja are used as smoking by cigarettes by the addicted person for excitation. It is said that it is used as aphrodisiac such as increased duration of coitus by village quack or physician. Signs symptoms of cannabis indica poisoning. Acute poisoning, stage of excitation. Everybody or addicted person intake cannabis indica for stage of excitation. Initial excitation, loss of well-being, euphoria, talkativeness. He or she passes into visual hallucination, visual fantasies. This is liked by many addicted persons. There marked conjunctiva, flushing of face, mental confusion, disorientation of time, place, perception. He may go into tremor, ill-temper, or restlessness. Stage of narcosis or depression. In this stage, the patient may commit violent crime. Giddiness, confusion, drowsiness, dilated pupil. There may be tingling numbness of extremities. In severe cases, general anesthesia. There may be deep sleep, wake up without any depression. There may be collapse, conversion, coma, respiratory paralysis, ultimately death. Chronic poisoning. There are two forms of chronic poisoning, that is ganja psychosis and running amok. Ganja psychosis, the common thing. Prolonged overindulgence of any form of cannabis indica leading to a psychological condition. That is called ganja psychosis. It is common victims among youth. What are the clinical features of cannabis indica or ganja psychosis? Conjunctival congestion, anorexia, nausea, vomiting, generalized wasting, weakness, tremor, insanity, impotence, drowsiness, disorientation, many more adverse effects. Running amok. In this stage, the addicted person may commit violent crime or homicide. It may be defined as a psychological disturbance characterized by a period of depression. This occurs in depression period, followed by a violent attempt to kill a person or to commit a homicide in a person after acute intoxication of prolonged cannabis addict. Mode of action: after taking the overdose of cannabis indica, the person attempts to kill or kills individual against whom he imagines as enemy until his homicidal tendency persists. After committing homicide, he may try to commit suicide or surrender himself to the police. He never ran away. He surrendered himself to the police. Management of cannabis indica. Acute poisoning, airway, breathing and circulatory management, airway clearance, gastric ravage, lukewarm water or normal water. Emetics may be given, CNS stimulant, strong tea and coffee are helpful. Any sedative poison, strong tea, coffee are helpful. In case of psychiatric manifestation, controlled by haloperidol, that is antipsychotic drug. Psychotherapy and counseling with the parents or guardians or relatives and sedatives also helpful. In case of chronic poisoning, gradual withdrawal of drug. Otherwise, there will be an withdrawal symptoms. Sedatives, antipsychotic drug, psychotherapy. There are sometimes herbal use of cannabis indica by Kobiraj or village quack physician. That is sometimes bronchial asthma, it is used as bronchial asthma, antiemetic effect, anti-appetite stimulation, analgesia, that means pain relief, glaucoma, that means increase intraocular pressure of the eyes. They can use cannabis indica, but their effectiveness is less. So my lecture will end now. I will conclude my session. Next day I will discuss about a new topics. Now, Allah Hafiz.